Hey, I'm Dr. David from El Paso Manual Physical Therapy. I'm here to answer some questions that Cesar gave me. He helped me out with doing YouTube. He's a YouTube SEO specialist guy, and he does a lot of cool stuff to YouTube so that it can be more easily found by potential patients and clients. And so he asked me to answer these questions. Why should healthcare providers use video to help increase patient education and communication? 100% I use it for that reason. And the reason why I put out tons of videos is because that's how patients find me most of the time, and they get to learn about what I do. And if they have the problem that I'm putting videos out for, then that attracts them to me. So it's definitely an attraction tool. It helps to build trust. It helps to build some authority, and it helps me to just share with the public what I do exactly so that they can consider using our services. How did Cesar help? So Cesar helped by making these cool little thumbnails for all the videos so that they're more attractive to the eye, and they really are. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can see all the ones that he worked on. It's pretty obvious that there's a bright colored image there, and it makes you want to click on it. And the other thing is he tweaked a bunch of stuff on the back end. I have no idea how that stuff works. I'm a physical therapist by trade, not a computer SEO internet specialist, and so I got other things to do with my time, worrying about patient care and business stuff. So it's been really nice to have Cesar's help in doing all this. Our YouTube views and length of view time has increased, and we're looking to get more phone calls and interest out of that from our clients. Third question is, would you recommend other healthcare providers use video? 100%. That's where the internet's going. All the mobile devices out there are optimized for video. So it's just getting easier and easier for people to view video. TV is slowly kind of dwindling away. It's not going to go away ever, but more and more eyes are on mobile phones, which access the internet and social media, Google, that kind of thing, YouTube. And so being on video is critical at this point. So Cesar Services will help you out tons. I recommend using him. Give him 5 stars. He is easy to work with. He's super nice and friendly. He gets you. He understands you. He understands healthcare because he's in healthcare himself. That's kind of like his other job that he does. So he knows where we're coming from as healthcare providers and really gets how we need to communicate with patients better. So I hope this helps. Bye-bye.